Hi guys, in this video we will see how to fix if your iPhone not ringing. While you receive any incoming call and iPhone not ringing, here are the fixes. The first workaround is swipe down your iPhone, go to control center and must ensure that your iPhone is not in silent mode. So must check this bell ring and must ensure that this is enabled, not in silent mode. The next fixes is swipe down your iPhone, go to control center and here go to focus. Here you will find do not disturb, tap on it and tap on settings and make sure that do not disturb mode is not enabled in your iPhone. If you found it in enabled mode, then disable it. Do not disturb should be disabled mode in your iPhone. The next workaround to fix this issue is tap on settings of your iPhone. Here scroll down and here go to sounds and haptics and here go to ringtone and alerts and make sure that this slider is extreme right, it's not extreme left, so you must ensure that ringtone ringer is duly set at maximum level. The next workaround to fix this issue is again tap on settings of your iPhone. Here go to apps, here scroll down and go to phone app, tap on phone app, here scroll down and silence unknown callers. You must ensure that this is not enabled. Disable silence unknown callers option in your iPhone. The next workaround to fix this issue is again tap on swipe down your iPhone and make sure that no any Bluetooth audio device connected with your iPhone. If you found any Bluetooth device connected and Bluetooth is on, then Bluetooth turn off, disable Bluetooth. The next workaround to fix this issue is again tap on settings of your iPhone. Here scroll down and tap on general settings. Here tap on software update and if any update available, simply download and install it with latest iOS update and check whether your issue is still. Then one more fixes is restart your iPhone. Simply turn off your iPhone and after sometimes restart your iPhone. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve various sound related issue, so you must restart your iPhone.